Hello, my friends. Myself, Mrs. Sandhya Walunj, welcomes you. Friends, think about your childhood. You used to play the fantastic game called मामाचं पत्र. माझ्या मामाचं पत्र हरवलं तेच मला सापडलं. हो की नाही? मित्रांनो, मामाचं पत्र खरंच हरवलं आहे. कारण पत्र लिहायचं आपण सोडूनच दिले, नाही का? But friends, writing a letter is a skill and we must know how to write a letter. So, in this video, we will learn about how to write it. Let's get started. Letter writing. First, we understand what is a letter. Then we look into the types of a letter. And finally, we will understand the format of a letter with an example. What is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another. म्हणजेच एका व्यक्तीने दुसऱ्या व्यक्तीला लिहिलेला संदेश. The primary purpose of a letter is the communication in written form. Let's see the types of a letter. First, a formal letter. Formal letter is written for business or professional purpose. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Formal letters are written to government departments, to the officers, to the school managements, to the teachers, etc. म्हणजेच सरकारी अधिकारी, शाळेतील शिक्षक, मुख्याध्यापक, बँकेचा मॅनेजर इत्यादींना व्यावसायिक हेतूने औपचारिक लिहिलेले पत्र. And the next type is informal letter. Informal letter is written for the personal communication. It is written to the close friends and relatives. It uses casual or emotional tone. म्हणजेच आपल्या आईला, बाबांना, मित्रमैत्रिणींना किंवा जवळच्या व्यक्तीला लिहिलेलं पत्र म्हणजे इनफॉर्मल लेटर. So, let's understand the format of a formal letter. First step is sender's detail. Here, the sender's name and the address comes, and the sender is the one who is writing a letter. जो व्यक्तिपत्र लिहितो आहे त्याचं नाव आणि पत्ता. Second step is the date. The date on which the letter is written. Suppose you are writing the letter on 26 January 2020, you can write in this way. अर्थात तारीख. पण तारीख लिहिताना याच फॉर्मॅटमध्ये लिहावी लागते. The third step is receiver's detail. Here, receiver's name and address comes. Receiver is the one who is receiving the letter and for whom the letter is written. अर्थात ज्याला पत्र लिहायचं आहे त्याचे नाव आणि पत्ता. Next step is salutation. Salutation is a greeting. Generally, we use dear sir or madam. The next step is subject. It is used so that the reader immediately knows what the letter is about. म्हणजेच पत्राचा विषय थोडक्यात इथे लिहायचा असतो. The next step is body. The body of the letter contains the actual message. Now, coming to the next point, complimentary close. It is the way to the end the letter. We write, yours faithfully, you are sincerely here. The last one is sender's name and signature. Here the name of the sender and his signature comes. So पत्र लिहितो त्याचं नाव आणि सही. So this is the exact format of a formal letter. Let's revise the points again. First, sender's detail. Second, date. Third, receiver's detail. Fourth, salutation. Fifth, subject. Sixth, body of the letter. Seventh, complimentary clause. And eighth, name and signature. Now, what is the body of a letter? It is usually divided into three parts. First is introduction. This paragraph tells the purpose of the letter. आपण letter का लिहितो हे थोडक्यात इथे स्पष्ट करायचं असतं. The next para is about the main content. It conveys all the necessary details. पत्राचा विषय जो आहे त्याबद्दल सविस्तर माहिती आपण या पॅराग्राफ मध्ये लिहितो. And the third para is summary. In this paragraph we summarizes the information provided. In this way, generally we write the body of the letter into 3 paragraphs. Now let's use the format and write the letter, but before that let's see the important points to remember. Write the letter in the full block format, that is the left. Start the letter with the left. Use polite language and pleasant tone. Informal expressions, greetings or contracted forms of words should not be used. The language should be simple, straightforward and to the point. And the most important thing, do not mix up the old format and new format. So now you have understood. See the letter. Sender's detail, date, receiver's detail, salutation, subject of the letter, body of the letter, complimentary clause, name and signature. So, I am sure that you have understood how to write a formal letter. And now you can write the letter properly. Friends, this is the first of a video. In the next part, we will learn about the informal letter. So, keep watching. Thank you. See you again.